What's up, y'all? Today in Breakpoint, we're going to show you how to change your spark plug on your Husqvarna 125B leaf blower. So stay tuned and we'll get right into it. All right, y'all. So the safest thing for you to do is either A, dump the fuel into a jerry can or siphon it out, however you can get it out before you start working on it. That way it doesn't leak everywhere, you don't get any spills, and you call it good, right? So spark plug. You need a 5/32 little Allen wrench like such. And then there are 1, 2, 3 bolts you take out. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And then you're going to need a T25 star head screw like that in order to get the pull cord out. Okay, so we're gonna unscrew all of this. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's okay to hire a professional, or like we always say, always hire a professional if you don't know, if you're not comfortable doing it. But you can always take pictures, and then when you're done and you need to put it back together, just scroll in reverse with the pictures, right? So we're going to take these screws out. You don't have to lay them separate if you don't want to. I would suggest it, but they're different types of screws, so it's kind of hard to mix them up, right? So we're unscrewing this one. Might even fast forward this set for you. So those were the 3 screws. They came out of here, here, and here. Okay, so now take the T25, unscrew that. I might use this part of the video the same, because it's the exact same process for the fuel filter, unless you have a needle nose plier long enough to reach down in here. I don't, so I have to take it apart. But I'm going to use the same exact video, so if you see this twice, that's why. But taking this off is the exact same process for the fuel filter. So if you see this twice, you know why now. Or the spark plug, right? The spark plug video or the fuel filter video. Whichever one you're watching, I hope you enjoy watching me struggle do this. But if we happen to be entertaining or you learned something, please don't be scared to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more content, or if you want to see something you never seen before, you learn something new, like I said. Either way, we hope that this can be educational for you guys, especially young men. So this is for you guys. And sometimes, the older guys, some people don't know how to do this, so they resort to YouTube. Some people can just read it off of the manual. I'm a YouTube person, so me, I just like taking stuff apart and figuring it out, right? So now this comes off just like that. I'm going to get this off. After you take this orange piece off, it should just come out like that. Yep, like so. There's going to be 2 metal parts, right? This one, it goes right here on top like this. Okay, it goes into these little notches. And then this is going to be your trigger. You can take your trigger out. Just remember where it goes and set it aside, okay? I'm going to take this off. Boom. Done just like that. So now there's 2 other bolts to get the fuel tank off. They are the 5/32 Allen wrench. You can unscrew it. One of them is right here. You can see that. I'll lift it up. One of them's right in there. The other one's on the bottom right in there, okay? I'm going to take the gas tank off. But for the spark plug, you shouldn't need to do this. But I'm just going to take this off because I got to do a fuel filter video on it anyways. All right, I'm just going to loosen it. Okay, now take this off. Spark plug's right here, so it's not really that difficult to get to like the fuel filter is. But we're gonna take this out if I can. Jeez, got unscrewed a little more. All right, y'all. So for the spark plug, take that little cap off. I don't think this one needs to be changed, but I'm using a 19 millimeter to take this off. Should just easily unscrew like such. Okay. That looks no bueno compared to the new one. This is the old one. This is the new one. Okay. So we're going to chuck that, throw that aside. I'm going to screw this new one in. Because why not? Needs to be done, right? 19. I'm going to tighten it back up. And remember, it doesn't need to be ridiculously tight, okay? Just hand crank it. That should be really tight enough, okay? Cap goes back on. Boom. Just like that. Easy as that. That is how to change a spark plug on your Husqvarna leaf blower. Super simple. All you have to do is take the casing off. But like I said before and earlier, if you're not comfortable doing it, hire a professional. But yeah, we hope y'all enjoyed. We hope you learned something. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more content. Until next time, Breakpoint out. And don't forget, don't be a ninja watcher. Help us out because we're helping you out, right? It's an equal exchange. It's a partnership. But check out our video on how to change the fuel filter on these, and we'll see you next time.